today we're going to read what's on the menu. Okay? And now it's going to talk about places that you can go to eat and where you can eat your different meals like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Right? So, how is eating at a restaurant and getting food from someone else different from eating at home? Well, you have to order off of a menu, all right? You have to be able to read the menu or have someone read the menu to you so you know what you want to order and tell the waiter or waitress what you want to order, all right? So, as we read, think about those types of things, okay? Now, let's go ahead and read.
Math link. What's on the menu? We can have breakfast at the diner. Pick 4 breakfast treats. We can have lunch at the cafe. Pick 5 lunchtime treats.
All right, so let's pause here. All right. Now, on this page it said we can have lunch at the cafe. Do you know what a cafe is? Well, a cafe is just a place that you can eat outside and get small foods. Okay? And it told us on this page to pick 4 breakfast treats. So if I had to pick 4 things that I would eat for breakfast, I would eat maybe a bagel, some jelly toast, cereal, and orange juice. Those would be the things I would eat. I wouldn't eat a hamburger for breakfast or French fries, and I don't know anyone that eats corn for breakfast. So let's keep going.
We can have a snack at the snack cart. Pick 3 snack treats. We can have dinner at the restaurant. Pick 5 dinner treats.
All right, let's pause there. Now, I want you to take a look at this top sentence. This top sentence right here. Let's count how many words there are. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 words on that top line of that sentence. All right? Let's count the top line here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 words on the top line on this page. Good job. Now, this is the word right here, pick. All right? What is the first letter in the word pick? That's right, it's the letter P. All right? Now, show me the same word on page 34. So over here on this page, find the word pick. It's going to look exactly like this. Point to it. That's right, the word pick is right here on page 34. Good job. Let's go. Let's continue.
What foods and drinks do you like most? Make a menu.
All right. Well, that was our story for today. All right. Now, what foods and drinks do you like most? I want you to be thinking about that while we do our next activity, because you're going to have to answer that question later on. All right, so let's go. I want to review some words, okay? And first, they're the "and" words that we've been working on. Remember, "and" is spelled A-N, okay? So, let's go ahead and let's continue, Okay, so let's first review these letters. All right, so this is the letter B. He makes B. This is letter N. Makes N. Here's letter M. She makes M. Letter H. C makes K. N. N. A makes A or A. There's S, capital S. She makes S. There's P. That makes the P sound. R makes the R sound. Lowercase s makes the same sound as capital S. S. T makes T. And V goes V. Alright, so let's start. I'm going to pull a word up here for you. Okay, and the first word I'm going to pull up starts with a P and then goes A, N. Alright, what word is that? Well, if you know that this ending, A-N, makes an, then you definitely should be able to figure this out, because you know P makes P. So you just go P, and, pan. It makes the word pan. Good job. Alright, let's move on to our next one. This time I want to spell the word can. Can you find the letters for can? So let's start with the K. K. What makes the sound K? Very good. If you're pointing to the letter C, you're right. Now, we have K, an. What two letters make an? Point to the first one in an. Very good. A, and then the last one is N. So we have K, an spells can. Good job. Let's go on to our next one. And I'll pull it up. I'll pull up T, A, N, T, N. Oh, now I see these A-N here. That means it makes the an. It makes an. Okay, so now we just need to know how to say this part. T-an. T-an. Tan. Good job. Let's move on to our next one. Now this one, I'll pull it up, and you tell me what word it is. So there's my word. I want you to try and sound this word out. Let's see if you got it right. This word is ran. Okay? Now, the way I would have looked at this is I would have looked and saw the ending, A-N, and been like, oh, I knew that. That's an. That means all I have to do is figure out the first sound, which is R. Okay, so R, that makes So, and, ran. And then I would have figured it out. I sound out each part, and then I start slowly blending it together. Alright? Alright. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, we have two more. We have this one and the next one. Alright. I'll pull it up here. Okay. There we go. We have our word here. Alright. Can you sound this word out? Very good. It's an. Oh, there's an. Nan. Our word is nan. Alright, let's do the last one. I want to spell the word man. Alright, man. So point to the letter that makes the sound m. Very good. There's the m. And then we know an. Oh, well, we know how to spell an. That's spelled A-N. So let's find A, N, and let's sound it out just to make sure. And man. Yep, that's how you spell man. All right, great job. Now, remember how we read what's on the menu? And it asked us a question. I told you to think about it. All right, the question was, what foods and drinks do you like most? Well, here you go. Your assignment is to, on a blank piece of paper, I want you to draw your favorite food and your favorite drink, and then submit it as an attachment. All right? So go ahead, get that done. See you later.